Hello, this is Sania Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. Following a fiery address by leader of the opposition Rahul Gandhi in Lok Sabha, where he criticized the BJP's representation of Hindus in India, the Gujarat Congress office in Ahmedabad, known as Rajiv Gandhi Bhavan, was vandalized late Monday night. Activists allegedly belonging to Bajrang Dal and Vishwa Hindu Parishad Dal launched the attack. According to the Gujarat Congress, supporters linked to the BJP, Bajrang Dal and Vishwa Hindu Parishad Dal threw stones at the Rajiv Gandhi Bhavan in response to Rahul Gandhi's remark during his parliamentary speech. Additionally, the right-wing activists reportedly vandalized posters and photos of Rahul Gandhi by splashing them with black ink. Furthermore, they allegedly assaulted the office's security guard and physically handled his wife and daughter, who were also present at the site. Here's what the spokesperson from Congress's Gujarat unit had to say.
आज दिन को सुबह 4 मतलब आज दोपहर को 4 बजे फिर से भारतीय जनता पार्टी के गुंडे हमारे वहाँ आए कांग्रेस ऑफिस पे और वहाँ पे हमारे ऊपर पत्थर फेंके गए। हमने उनका प्रतिकार किया, लेकिन हम जो है उनके पास पत्थर है तो हमारे पास सत्य, अहिंसा और संविधान वो हमारे हथियार है। उनके पास पत्थर, तलवार, लाठी वो उनके हथियार है। हमने प्रतिकार किया। हमारे वहाँ पे हमारे कई कार्यकर्ता भी घायल हुए हैं, लेकिन फिर भी पुलिस ने कांग्रेस कार्यालय के अंदर घुस के हमारे लोगों को पकड़ के बीजेपी के जो कार्यकर्ता है उनको पकड़ने और उनको रोकने की जगह हमारे कार्यकर्ताओं को प्रतिपादित कर रहे हैं।
Additionally, just before the upcoming voting in Amethi on May 20 for the ongoing Lok Sabha elections 2024, the Congress reported that several vehicles parked outside its office had been reportedly damaged on Sunday night. The party accused the Bharatiya Janata Party of being responsible for the incident. Furthermore, on June 22, while preparing to attend a protest against the NEET paper leak, Odisha Pradesh Congress Party President Sarath Patnaik was attacked with ink by unidentified miscreants. Patnaik said BJP sympathizers and workers orchestrated the attack to prevent their plan to protest against the NEET paper leak. Segments of Rahul Gandhi's speech have been expunged from the parliament records. His remarks, which included critics of the BJP and RSS and allegations against Prime Minister Narendra Modi, sparked objections from the Treasury benches. During his first speech as leader of the opposition in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi addressed several contentious issues, including minorities, the NEET controversy, and the Agnipath scheme, criticizing the central government. In his parliament speech, Rahul Gandhi said, and I quote, "Those who call themselves Hindus from BJP are engaged in violence 24 hours and spreading hatred. They are not true Hindus." PM Narendra Modi condemned Gandhi for allegedly insulting the Hindu community, saying, "Calling the entire Hindu society violent is a serious issue." Rahul Gandhi replied, "Narendra Modi is not the entire Hindu society. BJP is not the entire Hindu society. RSS is not the entire Hindu society. It is not the BJP's right to speak for all Hindus." During his speech, Rahul Gandhi accused the BJP of promoting violence and hate under the guise of representing Hindus. Well, that's all for this news report today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.